Tucked away in the heart of Europe, Poland is a land of contrasts, where medieval castles stand alongside modern skyscrapers, where vibrant cities give way to untouched wilderness, and where a history of resilience has shaped a nation brimming with culture, beauty, and opportunity. Often overshadowed by its Western neighbors, Poland is Europe's best-kept secret, waiting to be discovered. Poland remains one of the most underrated destinations in Europe. While nations like Germany, France, and the United Kingdom dominate global conversations, Poland stands quietly in the heart of the continent, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and modern progress. Spanning over 312,000 square kilometers, it is the ninth largest country in Europe, stretching from the Baltic Sea in the north to the towering Tatra Mountains in the south. Unlike the compact and densely populated nations of Western Europe, Poland boasts a comfortable balance between urban centers and open countryside. With a population of around 38 million, Poland occupies an interesting position. While it is one of the largest countries in Europe by land area, its population density is much lower than that of places like the Netherlands, which has 17 million people in just 41,000 square kilometers. This means that, despite its lively cities, Poland offers plenty of space to breathe, especially in its vast rural areas, scenic mountains, and sprawling forests. Interestingly, Poland's population is heavily concentrated in a handful of key cities, with Warsaw, Kraków, and Wrocław serving as its main urban hubs. Warsaw alone is home to nearly 2 million people, making it the economic and political heart of the country. Yet, despite its modern infrastructure and rapid development, Poland has managed to maintain a strong connection to its roots, preserving its historical architecture, traditions, and landscapes. For those who aren't fond of overcrowded places but still want the energy of a thriving European nation, Poland strikes the perfect balance. It offers all the benefits of a modern economy and cultural scene while providing plenty of opportunities to escape into nature. Few places in the world have experienced the level of resilience and transformation that Poland has endured throughout its long and complex history. Poland's history is one of resilience, shaped by war, conquest, and rebirth. From the powerful Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth to over a century of partition, Poland never lost its identity. Devastated by World War II and communism, it fought back through the Solidarity movement. Today, Poland thrives as a proud, independent nation, blending medieval heritage with modern progress. Unlike some European countries that suffered from financial crises and deep recessions, Poland has consistently maintained strong economic growth. In fact, it was the only European Union member to avoid recession during the global financial crisis. With a GDP exceeding $700 billion, Poland ranks among the top 25 largest economies in the world, a remarkable achievement for a country that, just over 3 decades ago, was transitioning out of communism. Poland is often associated with physical beauty, particularly its people. Polish women, in particular, are admired for their natural beauty, elegance, and charm. Fair complexions, striking blue or green eyes, and well-defined facial features are frequently highlighted. Beyond physical beauty, Polish women are known for their intelligence, warmth, and strong character, shaped by Poland's rich history and cultural heritage. The secret behind Poland's success lies in its diverse and well-balanced economy. Unlike resource-dependent nations, Poland has built its wealth through a combination of industrial production, technology, agriculture, and a growing service sector. The country is a leading producer of automobiles, electronics, and household appliances, supplying goods to markets across Europe and beyond. Additionally, Poland is one of the world's largest exporters of agricultural products, with its apples, dairy, and meat products reaching countries as far as China and the United States. Despite its rapid economic growth, Poland has managed to maintain relatively low income inequality compared to some of its neighbors. While the gap between rich and poor exists, it is not as extreme as in many Western nations. The cost of living in Poland remains significantly lower than in Germany, France, or the UK, making it an attractive destination for expatriates, digital nomads, and international students. Interestingly, Poland played a pioneering role in labor rights. It was one of the first countries in the world to introduce an 8-hour workday, long before it became a global standard. Today, the country continues to prioritize workers' rights, with strong labor unions and protections ensuring fair wages and conditions for employees. As a member of the European Union and NATO, Poland enjoys access to some of the world's largest trade networks. Its strategic location in the heart of Europe makes it an essential transit hub for goods moving between Western and Eastern Europe. The country has invested heavily in infrastructure, expanding highways, modernizing railway networks, and upgrading airports, further boosting its economic potential. However, Poland is not without its challenges. The country still faces issues such as an aging population, political tensions with the European Union, and brain drain as young professionals seek higher wages abroad. Despite these challenges, Poland is known for its progressive policies and social advancements, making it not just a strong economy, but also a country that values its people and their rights. Poland is a country deeply rooted in tradition, yet continues to evolve into a more open and modern society. While its history is shaped by centuries of Catholic influence and a strong sense of national identity, Poland is also home to a growing movement of progress, diversity, and cultural expression. Unlike the stereotypes often associated with Eastern European nations, Poland is far more complex. One of the first things visitors notice about Poland is its strong sense of cultural pride. The country has preserved its folklore, music and traditions in ways that few European nations have. Festivals such as Wianki, Dozinki and Jarmark celebrate Polish heritage, bringing together people of all generations in a shared appreciation for their roots. At the same time, Poland has embraced globalization, with its cities offering a thriving art, music and fashion scene that blends local creativity with international influences. Despite being one of the most religious countries in Europe, it has seen a shift towards secularism, especially among younger generations. While traditions like Wigilia, All Saints' Day and Easter celebrations remain deeply important, there is also a growing number of non-religious and progressive movements advocating for greater individual freedoms. While the country has not yet fully embraced same-gender marriage, many Polish cities host pride events and younger generations are more open-minded than ever before. The education system, media and international exposure are gradually shaping a more inclusive society, particularly in urban areas. One of Poland's greatest strengths is its openness to visitors and foreigners. Despite a history marked by invasion and conflict, Polish people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Whether it's a local inviting you into their home for a home-cooked meal or a stranger helping you navigate a Polish train station, there is an undeniable friendliness in Polish culture. Visitors often leave Poland with stories of unexpected kindness and generosity, a testament to the deep-rooted sense of community that defines the country. Language, however, can be a challenge. While English is widely spoken in Warsaw, Kraków and Gdansk, many older generations and rural communities primarily speak Polish. This can sometimes create communication barriers, but it also reflects Poland's commitment to preserving its linguistic and cultural heritage. Unlike many European nations that have lost touch with their native tongues due to globalization, Poland has managed to keep its language alive and strong, even after centuries of foreign rule. Poland's cafe culture, street art and nightlife are proof that the country is far from stuck in the past. The streets of Krakow's Kazimierz district, once the heart of Jewish life in Poland, have been transformed into a vibrant neighborhood filled with independent bookstores, alternative art spaces and eclectic bars, blending history with contemporary expression. Poland's strategic location in the heart of Europe has also made it one of the continent's most important transit and trade hubs. Surrounded by Germany, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania and Russia's Kaliningrad region, Poland is the gateway between Western and Eastern Europe. This position has historically placed the country at the center of military conflicts and political struggles, but today it serves as a major advantage for commerce, travel, and connectivity. Unlike many landlocked countries, Poland has direct access to the Baltic Sea, allowing it to develop a strong maritime trade presence. The port of Gdansk is one of the busiest in Europe, handling cargo from China, Scandinavia, and the Americas. Additionally, Poland is part of the European Union's Schengen zone, meaning travel between Poland and other EU countries is seamless, requiring no border checks for EU citizens. Poland has also heavily invested in modern transportation infrastructure, making it easier than ever to travel within the country. The nation boasts one of Europe's most extensive railway networks, with high-speed trains connecting major cities in just a few hours. Internationally, Poland is well connected to its neighbours via road, rail and air, making it a convenient destination for travellers and businesses alike. With international airports like Warsaw Chopin Airport, which serves as the country's main aviation hub, Poland offers direct flights to nearly every major city in Europe and beyond. Airports in Kraków, Gdansk and Wrocław provide additional global connectivity. For travellers coming from North America, Asia or the Middle East, Poland's airports frequently serve as entry points to the rest of Europe, thanks to affordable fares and well-connected airline routes. For many, one of the biggest advantages of life in Poland is its affordable cost of living. Compared to countries like Germany, France or the UK, daily expenses in Poland are significantly lower. Rent, transportation and groceries are all more budget-friendly, making it an attractive destination for students, professionals and retirees looking for a high quality of life without the Western European price tag. Public transportation in Poland is efficient, reliable and inexpensive. Most cities have well-developed bus, tram and metro systems, making it easy to get around without a car. In Warsaw, for example, a monthly public transport pass costs around $25, allowing unlimited travel across the city. For longer distances, Poland's extensive railway system makes it convenient to travel between cities in just a few hours. The coffee culture is also booming, with trendy cafes and specialty coffee shops becoming a staple in Polish cities. Polish people are known for their hospitality and strong sense of community. While they may seem reserved at first, once you establish a connection, you'll find them to be warm, generous, and incredibly loyal. Family remains at the core of Polish society, with Sundays often dedicated to large family gatherings, home-cooked meals, and shared traditions. One unique aspect of life in Poland is its 4 distinct seasons. Winters can be harsh and snowy, especially in the northern and mountainous regions, while summers are warm and vibrant with long daylight hours and outdoor festivals. Spring and autumn bring a picturesque charm as parks and forests burst into color. The Polish countryside, dotted with medieval castles, lush forests and pristine lakes, offers plenty of opportunities for weekend getaways. Poland is also a country that appreciates a good drink. While vodka is undeniably the most famous Polish beverage, often enjoyed neat or in flavored varieties like cherry, honey and bison grass, Poland is also known for its growing craft beer scene. The country has a long tradition of brewing, and today Polish microbreweries are producing some of the finest beers in Europe. Beyond its natural beauty, Poland is also a land of innovation and scientific achievement. Throughout history, Poland has produced some of the world's greatest minds, pushing the boundaries of science, mathematics and technology. One of the most famous Polish scientists is Marie Curie, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win it in 2 different scientific fields. Her discoveries in radioactivity paved the way for modern medicine and nuclear science. Poland has also been at the forefront of astronomy, with Nicholas Copernicus revolutionizing the way we see the universe by proposing that the Earth orbits the Sun. His heliocentric theory challenged centuries of belief and changed the course of scientific history. Today, Poland continues its legacy of innovation with a thriving tech industry. Cities like Warsaw, Kraków, and Wrocław have become tech hubs, attracting startups, IT companies, and AI research centers. Poland is also home to some of the world's most well-known video game developers, producing titles like The Witcher series and Cyberpunk. With a growing number of tech graduates and a strong emphasis on STEM education, Poland is cementing its place as one of Europe's leading centers for science and technology. If you're considering whether to visit or relocate to Poland, the answer depends on what you're looking for. For travelers, Poland is a hidden gem in Europe, affordable, rich in history, and filled with stunning landscapes. From the fairy tale streets of Kraków to the Baltic beaches of Gdansk, Poland offers a mix of culture, nature, and city life at a fraction of the cost of Western Europe. Whether you're interested in historical sites like Auschwitz, nature escapes in the Tatra Mountains, or food adventures through local markets, Poland has something for every kind of traveler. However, learning Polish can be a challenge for newcomers, and bureaucracy can sometimes be slow and frustrating. The winters can be long and cold, and while English is widely spoken in big cities, it is less common in smaller towns. But for those who embrace the culture, history, and opportunities, Poland offers a fantastic quality of life without the high costs of Western Europe. And whether you choose to visit for a short trip or make Poland your new home, one thing is certain: you will never run out of things to discover. Thanks for watching.